Welcome to the Experimental Aircraft Channel, Road Trip Edition. I don't normally do vlogs, but I had an opportunity to hitch a ride and travel across the country to give you guys some really interesting aviation content. So follow along this week or the next few days, and I guarantee you won't be disappointed. So to give a proper introduction, I'm Brian, of course, and we have Brian over here, which, I don't know, maybe Brian number one, Brian number two, you're older, so you can be Brian number one.
Right, and better looking, so we're
and better looking, right? Yeah, so, yeah. Anyway, this trip started off, well, Brian started off in DeLand, Florida, picked me up along the way alongside of Panama City area. We were in, we went through Mobile, and last night we stayed in Wiggins. We were wigging out in Wiggins, Mississippi. Yeah. I really want to tell you where we're going. I really do, but I'm thinking that this might be a lot more fun to kind of do a big reveal later. So follow along if you want to pull out a map and kind of pinpoint where we've been and where we are, and maybe in the comments below, guess. Tell me, where do you think we're headed with this big truck, this big FORD F350, and how long is this trailer?
30 foot.
30-foot trailer.
So we're about 57 feet or so, I think, in total length.
We're practically tractor trailer status here.
Just about.
So we're traveling across the country. I will tell you, we are going west. We're in the westerly direction, and we have a several day trip, if that helps you any. So some guesses in the comments of where do you think we're going and what are we hauling. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I think you're going to really enjoy what the reveal is at the end. Okay, so you ready?
Yeah, let's go. Let's get out of here.
All right, let's go. So just a quick catch-up on our travels so far. We did run into a little snafu. This is actually 1 day behind recording because, well, one, I was tired, and two, we were just on the road driving. So we had not a blowout, but the world's biggest bubble in a tire happened yesterday. So that's why I caught some footage of the tire change. So have you ever heard of Goodrich tires? I have never heard of Goodrich tires. I've heard of Goodrich. But yeah, the largest bubble ever, and I'll show that picture here somewhere. Hey guys, just a quick travel road trip update. We are stopping off here in Denton, Texas for the night. Very long day, I think 10, 11 hours. Really good trip. Yeah, I really, again, would love to tell you what this is all about, but I want to make this a really fun trip and kind of leave you all in suspense. But just trust me, where we're going and who we're going to see and the things we're going to see is going to be really awesome. So just follow along this week. In a couple days, we'll have sort of a big reveal. If you are finding value in this video, hit the like button, and it's really important that you subscribe, as it helps me get sponsors like Airworx, Aero Adventure, WingBug, and Griplock Ties. And right now, Griplock Ties has a promo for you to get free shipping. Just enter the code EXPERIMENTAL at checkout. Let's jump back in.